Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make masala fries. Packed with flavour, these are perfect snack time comfort food. Use oven chips for a healthy alternative to deep fried chips. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Start by deep frying one large portion of frozen chips at around 175 Celsius for 6 minutes, or oven baking for the time stated on the packet. Whilst the chips are cooking, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a low to medium heat and add 1 small brown or white onion cut into large chunks. Stir frequently to brown and begin to soften for a couple of minutes. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and allow to fry for 30 to 60 seconds until the bitterness disappears. Tip in 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, watered down with around 3 tablespoons of water so it blends easier, as well as 1 chopped green finger chilli, and again allow to fry for 30 to 60 seconds. Give it a good stir, then chuck in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter of a teaspoon of chaat masala, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and quarter of a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir in well and fry for around 4 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently until the oil begins to separate. When the chips are nearly ready, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the masala mix and stir through well. Turn off the heat, lift and drain the fries, then tip them into the masala mix and stir gently to coat evenly with the masala spices. Don't be too rough or you'll end up with masala mash. Tip into your serving container and serve with a sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander and a sliced red and green finger chilli. Please remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.